해보겠어요. 판다가 잠깐 게스트로 하겠습니다. Pigs and makes me. 오늘의 제목은요, 봐봐요. 잠깐만, 이거요? 이거 들고 끊지 마세요, 감독님. Pigs make me sneeze. 잠깐 게스트로 나온 거였어요. 판다는 잠깐 게스트로 나온 거였어요. 그럼 안녕. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes, you, want? A ball, a swim, a hat. 그 사이에 방구가 나왔어.
스닙.
봐봐, 보여주세요. Are you okay? I do not know. I cannot stop. 보숑. 넘어졌다. Sneezing. Oh no! 드디어 정신을 차리고 일어났음. What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. 궁뎅이 실룩실룩. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. 잠깐만요, 친구들. 저가 제가 많이 꾸기네. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Sneeze. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay. Dr. Cat? Pigs make me sneeze! And pig is a pig. Pig is also my best friend. 다시 읽을게요, 여기부터. Pig is also my best friend. 치우! 상태가 좀 안 좋군. Great now. Cats make me sneeze too. 이건 그냥 넘어갈게요. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. 꼬가 넣어버렸어요. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. 이번에는 피기가 감기가 걸렸네요. 오늘 게스트 판다와 함께 어땠나요, 친구들? 판다. 그럼 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.